Is my Subaru Brz STI TS edition. This unit is actually limited to 300 units. Currently putting this diff back inside here, cleaned up here nicely. Elegantly. So we have STI side skirts. We have STI Brembo brakes with drill slotted rotors. STI Bilstein shocks. In engine bay here, we have STI flexible bars on top here. Gonna be doing some bolt-on intakes on K&N. Gonna change out these headers to some Tomai headers. STI badge in here again. On the inside is where it gets quite interesting. So we got Recaro STI seats. Pretty cool. And it has an airbag in it. Pretty cool. I would say this is the best interior that they come in. STI here, STI here, STI here. And then we also have limited edition badging. So this one is limited to 300 units for the Japan market mainly. And surprisingly I managed to grab one or get one available. This unit actually came in automatic and we don't want that, so currently in the process of doing a manual swap. So swap that out, getting everything to work here. Here's the manual transmission. May do a video on that process once everything works out.